start removing the spring from the side of the cartridge. Now, you have to remove the two metal pins in the two sides of the cartridge. The position is indicated by the red arrows. Carefully shave the plastic away from the pins and remove the pins with flush-cutting wire cutters. The two pins are different. The smaller pin fits on the contact side of the cartridge. The long pin on the gear side. Lift up on the black lever. Now, separate the two halves of the cartridge. Toner section. Waste chamber section. Remove the two screws from the contact side end cap. Remove the end cap. Remove the drum. It's better to change it, but if you want to reuse the drum, store it in a dark and safe place. It's really delicate and the light may damage it. Remove the charge roller by lifting up on the white locking arm. The wiper blade is glued and it's difficult to remove. But if not damaged, there is no need to change or remove it. Make attention not to damage the recovery blade, this thin plastic blade. The wiper blade scrapes the toner off the drum and the recovery blade guides the waste toner into the waste chamber. On the toner section, remove the screw from the gear side end cap. Press it on this tag and remove the end cap. Remove the gears as shown. Do not remove this gear. The mixing plate gear is attached to the mixing plate inside the hopper and is very difficult to reattach properly. Remove the two screws. Remove the end cap. Remove the developer roller with its two bushings. On the opposite side end cap, remove the 4 white pieces of plastic. Clean out the remaining toner from the toner hopper and from the waste toner chamber. It's not possible to reuse the old toner left in the cartridge. It would be better to use compressed air or a toner vacuum. If not, clean the cartridge as well as possible at open air. Do not breathe the toner dust. If you don't want to change it, clean the drum with isopropyl alcohol. Gently clean the developer roller with isopropyl alcohol. Clean the charge roller with water. The purpose of the charge roller is to place a uniform negative voltage on the drum surface. Using a cotton swab, clean the edge of the developer roller blade. Make attention not to damage or distort it. There is glue on either end of the doctor blade, and it's not necessary to remove it. The amount of toner on the developer roller is controlled by the doctor blade. The doctor blade uses pressure to keep the amount of toner on the roller constant. If you use the cartridge in your printer, it's not necessary to install a seal. Inspect the developer roller felts. If they are compressed, roughen them with a small screwdriver. Fill the cartridge with new toner. This cartridge contains 140 grams for the black and 145 grams for the colors. Cartridges for use in HP 4025 series contain around 200 grams of toner. Install the developer roller with its two bushings. Install the end cap. Install the two screws. This is the old seal. It's not necessary to remove it. Install all the gears in the order shown. Install the gear cover and cap. Install the screw. On the opposite end cap, remove the two screws. Remove the end cap. Reinstall the pieces of plastic. Install the screw. Install the charge roller in the cartridge. Do not touch the charge roller with your fingers. Coat the drum with a specific lubricant, or a bit of toner, or the wiper blade of the cartridge may damage the drum. Install the drum. Install the contact and cap on the side of the waste chamber. Install the two screws. Make sure you lock the locking arms of the charge roller in place. Lift up on the black lever. Place the two halves together, contact side first. This is the correct position of the spring. Install the two pins. The long pin goes in the label side of the cartridge. The small pin goes to the gear side of the cartridge. Remove the old chip. The chip should be replaced each time you refill the cartridge. The chip is a counter, and after a certain number of prints, it will send an error message. Install the new chip. If the new replacement chip is loose in the slot, close off the top edges with small amounts of glue. Install the spring. And the work is done. In case of quality problems. Sometimes, the only way to fix print quality issues in this printers is to force a calibration. If you need it, follow the link you see in the video.